Hello YouTube, Ruben Quesada here working on a 2014 Chevy Malibu LT. We got a P02646 intake rocker arm valve stuck off. So we're going to go ahead and check the wiring, and then we're going to check the VVT solenoid on the intake side. We're going to start by taking off this cover right here. I couldn't find the tool, so I went ahead and improvised and used the flat screwdriver here. You just put it on one of them slots, give it a couple of taps, and off it comes. And off it goes. It's real simple, you just get it in the slot. Tap it a couple of times. The flat screwdriver. And it'll come right off. Make sure you line it up with that little slot that it has on the opposite side of the line. You're gonna line it up with this one right here. Push it up against that corner. Right there. It'll come right off. I couldn't find a tool in my shop that'll fit this chingadera. Alright. Again, let me show you again because it's a little confusing. You gotta line up with that corner right there. You see that line? Line it up with that corner. Like so. Took out those three. Okay, after removing that cover, go ahead and remove this 10 metric millimeter bolt off of here. Remove that one. Then you will remove this clamp right here. And you're going to lift on this little lip right here, the clip on this Pcv deal. You're going to hold this down while you pull towards you on this thing right here. Alright, you're gonna push down on this lock, and you're gonna pull this way towards you, and it's gonna come right out. Okay, that's what it looks like from the side. So next step is to remove the clamp down over there on the throttle body. I'm gonna remove that, then we'll go to the next step. Okay, you're gonna get your 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, either a 5/16 or a 8 millimeter. We'll work on a clamp. Okay, you're gonna go under the computer with the ratchet in hand. Okay, and then between the heater core lines, and start removing the clamp. Okay. Before removing the intermediate tube, be sure to take off these two lines. they go inserted here. One there and one over here. That's what they look like right there. After you remove those, then you can wiggle this out of its place. Next thing to remove is these Pcv lines. They got a little lock. You gotta lift. You gotta push this way and then up on both sides. You can see the slot right there. Gotta go that way and then up. Let me see here. Okay, gotta go that way and then up. There it is in. And when you go back in, it'll go and lock itself. You don't have to do nothing. Okay, let's take it off. Okay, now you're gonna lift this little red clip and then push down on this thing and push in and then out. Okay, as you can see there, we gotta take off them 10mm bolts right there, and I'm pretty sure it'll come off.